What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing off my home setup. Basically this is office setup number 2, and it's where I do most of my groundwork, my website design, taxes, stuff like that. I try to keep everything pretty organized. Have a bunch of filing cabinets here, so everything is about being organized. So I have all my tax stuff in here. Paperwork, insurance information, welding certs, whatever I really need. My LLC stuff I keep in these filing cabinets. And then here's my main computer station. I also have another computer station that's more for personal use. This is primarily for business use. So you saw that laptop I had. That's another laptop, a backup. I got this computer as well, which is for printing and faxing. I got this nice printer. If I need to print off a quote or something, I always try to be as professional as possible. I try to make everything nice and neat, organized. So yeah, this is a pretty decent computer. I think it has 16 gigabytes RAM. Specs aren't really too important, but it can run everything I really need it to run. And yeah, so this is pretty much the mobile office setup. Lots of storage in here. All this crap in here, I need to really clean this out, but it's basically used for my paperwork and all that kind of stuff. Organization of my paperwork. Got a calendar up there, marking down dates and stuff. Nice bookshelf with lots of knowledge. So yeah, I just can't emphasize enough how important it is to be organized and have a system in place. I know my systems and how I do things are pretty important. So yeah, again, that's the printer setup, the fax setup. Then I have the main computer where I do a lot of the paperwork and taxes and website design, stuff like that. Managing my Google page. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. A little short, but just thought I'd share how I keep my office organized. And yeah, thanks for watching.